Right folks, basically today we're going to change out the Monkey's stock exhaust, and this is why. It's a little bit broken and a little bit noisy, and the reason why it's broken is because of this. So as you can see, that little off that Sean had has resulted in a little bit of a scrape. This was obviously some time ago, and over the time it's just got worse and worse, and you'll see when we take this cover off the damage that it's done where the pipe goes into the silencer, the muffler. So we're going to replace the exhaust with an aftermarket one. We can't obviously do a comparison between the exhaust sound of the stock, but you probably all know what it sounds like anyway. What we can do though is fire it up, let you hear what it's like broken compared to the aftermarket one that we're going to put on. As you can hear, it's just a little bit broken. Yes, so we're going to change it out. For this one, obviously as you can see, the Black Widow exhaust system. Much prettier. Everybody's burning question now. And that is with a baffle in. Fantastic. And obviously we've got the obligatory baffle out. Without the baffle, here we go. Without the baffle.